Hi guys, welcome back. Oh my gosh, it is so hot today. Today it's really hot, so if I look well highlighted and dewy, I promise you that is sweat. I do have some highlight, but dear God, it is very hot today, and it is still spring. It's not even summer yet, so I am genuinely gonna die when summer comes. So today I have an exciting video because I have got a handbag unboxing slash reveal to share with you guys. This is fresh from Japan. I have got the item here. I actually teamed up with a Japanese consignment store, and they do sell on Instagram, but they do have a website as well, and it is DCT Vintage Luxury Store. I will put all of their information in the info bar below, but I did team up with them. They have sent me some goodies to share with you and unbox with you, and I am so excited because I'm so excited with what is in this box. So I do know what it is because I did actually pick the items out. Just to preface this video, they gifted the items to me. They are not paying me for this video. This particular item I've been stalking for a while, not just this particular bag but this whole line in general. I'm so obsessed with Louis Vuitton at the moment, especially the Murakami line. I don't know what it is. Like 2 years ago I was looking at the Murakami line and I was looking at SLGs mainly because I felt like the SLGs was cuter because the LVs were a little bit smaller, and I just really like the colors. And then I sort of came off it for a bit because I know that the wear and tear isn't amazing, and then I just I accumulated basically what I wanted from the line. And then very recently, obviously inspired by the early 2000s, I've gotten back into like the Murakami bags, the actual bags themselves. It started off with Bichette. I was obsessed with getting it, and also the LV Mini Speedy. I really wanted it in the Murakami line, but they are going for an extortionate amount of money. I also looked at other bags. I think I'll just open the box and then talk a little bit more about it because yeah, I have a lot to say, and if I just keep talking, we'll never know what's inside, honestly. So I just picked it up from the office, completely trashed the bag. So this is what the box looks like now that I've opened it. Okay, you guys ready? Opening it up. They've got a lot of bubble wrap. I can already see the bag. I'm so excited. Guys, let me reveal my latest handbag edition. Oh my god, so excited. I'm a freak. It is the Louis Vuitton Treville in the multicolor in the black. Oh my god, isn't it so gorgeous? I saw it on their website and it looks just like in amazing condition, and honestly it is. Like the handles aren't stained at all, they're still quite light. And my favorite part about this bag, and the reason I sort of wanted to get this particular one from them, is because of the colorway. I am so particular when it comes to the Louis Vuitton multicolor line. I really like this colorway. So when I saw this one, I just had to get it, and especially in the condition. This is my favorite sort of patch. So I love the blue and the green, and I like the purple, pink and lime green. That's probably my favorite. This is my second favorite, but it's got both of them. Like it doesn't even have like this one I don't love. This patch here is my favorite and I absolutely love it. This is in such good condition, you guys. Like even the opening, the interior is in amazing condition. It's so clean. This is obviously a made in France item. Don't know where the date code is, but you guys, the condition of this bag is insane. Look at that. And the colors are so stunning. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Honestly, even if I don't wear it, I think I'm just happy to own this bag because I've wanted a multicolor black in a bag for a long time, and I've had a look at the Speedies and I just feel like they're so big, and I actually really like this bag and this size. I was really lucky enough to sort of be able to get this as a gift from them, and then they even included this little key pouch, which I'm so stoked about. This was going for a really good price on the website, so they did gift it to me, but I was more than happy to purchase it because I only expected the bag, to be honest. This is the little key pouch. I've always wanted a 4-ring key holder, and the price point on this was about, I think, 116 a USD, which is pretty reasonable. I mean, it does have a fair bit of wear and tear, like it's got some wear and tear of the leather there, and obviously, you know, there is some wear and tear of the LVs, but personally I don't mind because I do plan on using this as like an actual key holder. I've seen, you know, worse conditions for way more, so the fact that this was going for such a good price is amazing. Also, they have like some really cute stuff. So I saw that they recently sold a Chanel belt. I know you guys were asking where I got my Chanel belt from. I didn't get it from them, but they do sell the vintage belts. And also I found like a Louis Vuitton Favorite PM, which I was like, holy crap, I haven't seen that in so long, and it was really at a good price. I was strongly considering purchasing it, except for the fact that I actually do prefer it in the azure. So if anyone has the azure, do let me know. I'd love to buy it off you. But this is such a cute little thing, and look, oh my god, guys, it's so cute. I'm so in love with this color. I just love like the brightness of the colors, like the richness of the colors against the black. So happy. She's so cute and gorgeous, and she is in like honestly perfect condition, you guys. There's like very minimal wear and tear. Like if you saw this, you like honestly would have thought it was like a brand new bag. Right? It is insane. There is like no wear and tear of like the LVs. I can see just a little bit. So this one has a bit of wear here, just there, and just the slightest bit of wear here. Literally nothing on the bottom, no wear and tear on the bottom. So, and the corners are in such good condition, and the patina on this is honestly perfection. It is so like, it's that beautiful like just honeyed patina. It's not like amber color yet, which I don't mind, but like with this combination it just looks so good. Oh my gosh, this is like amazing. Like this bag is honestly amazing. And then this key pouch, as I mentioned, I kind of knew the wear and tear on this because I saw the pictures, and I still think like for the price it is awesome. I love this, and this is my second favorite combination. I would have preferred this one on top. I think if I can find one in a reasonable amount in better condition in the colorway, I would definitely get it. But the tricky thing is, if you're going to use it, it will sort of wear away anyways, because I know Jerusha had one and it was the cutest thing, but she sold it because she was sort of using it and it was wearing out a lot. But the fact that this is already worn out kind of makes it not that big of a deal to me. So anyways, you guys, that is my unboxing, my reveal. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I honestly love the items that I got. And thank you so much, DCT Vintage Store, for collaborating with me on this video. Thank you so much for the generous, gorgeous gifts. I definitely try to use it as much as I can. If I don't use it, I'm going to stare at it. Like, it's just that pretty. So I will put their details in the info bar below, including their Instagram and their website. And also, they have kindly given my subscribers 10% off with your order. So it does go a long way, I do think, and it is free shipping worldwide. So you guys should definitely jump on that. I'm definitely going to be using it because I'm going to be stalking their website. And you guys are always asking me like what good Japanese consignment stores I recommend. I do recommend these guys, and also it is cheaper if you buy it from their like actual website rather than through eBay. When I'm on eBay and I find something that I like, I try to see if they actually have their own website, because oftentimes it's 10% cheaper than eBay, and then with the 10% discount you're getting a pretty good deal. So yeah, do check them out. I'll put all their details in the info bar below. So yeah, that's it from me, you guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it, and I honestly cannot wait to just stare at it all day. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. And to my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for being my notification squad, coming through anytime I upload. And yeah, I just know that I'm super duper grateful and I love you guys so much. That is it from me. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.